won £170 million, or slightly more than that, which someone in the UK has, a single ticket holder.
Yeah.
What would your advice be? How would you invest it, Alpesh?
Top tip, whenever you're giving somebody financial advice, pretend you're giving it to your mother-in-law. That way you'll be more accurate. My top tip for this is I'm going to sort of Indianify this. If the company's got an Indian at the top, like Apple, Amazon, Pepsi, Microsoft, MasterCard, invest in it. I've just come back from Silicon Valley. It's run by my fellow Indians, and those companies seem to have the biggest cash piles, the ones that I've just mentioned. So if there's a crash,
if there's a crash, by Steve Jobs. And,
no, I'm not saying
extremely successful.
I'm not saying we found them. We just got in there
right.
once somebody else did all the hard work and then took the credit for it. We're not stupid.
You're definitely not. You're definitely not that. And he's a man with cold and flu, so we appreciate you coming in regardless and being a bit of a trooper on the briefing. Thank you too for your company.